Here's the latest from Copilot, how to create a video from a file. I'm Kelly from the 365 Training Hub. Let's take a look. Here I am in Copilot and I've got the licensed version. I'll click on the right hand side to Visual Creator. And I'd like to create a video to help promote our new leadership development courses as outlined in this file. I'm going to add a file here. This Word document has our course outline in it. Let's see what happens.
In today's dynamic world, effective leadership is more critical than ever. At 365 Training Hub, we are dedicated to helping leaders thrive. Our Leading for the Future one-on-one coaching course is designed to equip you with the skills and insights needed to lead confidently into the future.
Our course focuses on developing essential leadership skills. Through interactive sessions and personalized coaching, you will unearth valuable leadership insights. These insights will help you apply authentic leadership principles to guide your team effectively.
A key component of our course is the use of comprehensive 360 feedback tools. These tools provide you with a well-rounded view of your leadership strengths and areas for improvement. Additionally, you will develop a detailed action plan to guide your leadership journey.
By gaining self-insight, you will be better equipped to drive an achievement culture within your organization. Our Leading for the Future one-on-one coaching course empowers you to lead with confidence and purpose.
Join us at 365 Training Hub and take the first step towards becoming the leader you aspire to be. Together, we can shape the future of leadership.
And from here I can open, and it will open in Clipchamp, Microsoft's new editing software for videos, and I can make any changes. With advances in technology like this, anything's possible. We're the 365 Training Hub. We deliver webinars for the corporate market. Get in touch today and get up to speed with Copilot.